Moikka! A while back I had this lovely comment that I could do some tree houses, and I think this is a lovely idea. So let's start drawing some tree houses and then some painting and decorating and the usual. If you have watched my videos before, this process is familiar, but it is always so relaxing and fun. These trees are going to be a little bit bigger than the usual because I will use them in my A5 journal pages, and I am making some enchanted villages again. Previously my wish houses and mushroom houses has been a little bit on the smaller side, so it's nice to do something bigger for a change. And now let's move on to the decorating part. Koristelujen pariin, as we say in Finnish. I am using some colorful markers and then white acrylic pen. I just love to do these decoratings, and there is no previous planning, just going with the flow. Now the decorations are done and I am cutting these with some scissors. I have previously made background for the next enchanted village, and let's test out which tree I am going to use. What kind of whimsical tree houses would you make? How would the decorations be? If you are inspired to do these tree houses, please let me know down in the comments how they turned out. If you would like to decorate your art journal spread with these tree houses, there is a printable set for sale on my Etsy shop. Kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille!